Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficial, the most merciful. Ali Maula. 13 Rajab special. The miracle inside the Kaaba. Start the story with. Did you know that Imam Ali alayhi salam is the only person in history to be born inside the sacred Kaaba? This miraculous event on 13 Rajab changed the course of Islamic history forever. Stay with us as we uncover the incredible story of this divine blessing. What makes 13 Rajab so special in the hearts of millions? It's the day, the most important day. It's the day of Lion of Allah, Maula Ali alayhi salam, entered this world in the holiest of places. Let's explore this awe-inspiring event together. Ali Maula. This word echo across generations, symbolizing courage, wisdom, and devotion. Join us as we dive into the miraculous birth of Maula Ali alayhi salam on this blessed 13 Rajab. The walls of Kaaba miraculously opening, a divine light shining, and the birth of a leader who would change the world. This is the story of 13 Rajab. Let's begin. Introduction. Let us travel back in time 14 years ago to the sacred city of Makkah on a peaceful night. Under a blanket of stars, the Kaaba stands tall, its dark stone walls radiating a timeless sanctity. The crescent moon hangs high above, casting its gentle glow over the sandy courtyard. The air is calm, with a faint breeze swaying the palm tree nearby. Tonight, an event of divine significance is about to take place. A miracle that would echo through the annals of history. Scene number 2. Lady Fatma binte Asad prayer. 14 years ago, in the stillness of this sacred night, Lady Fatma binte Asad approaches the Kaaba. Draped in a simple beige abaya, her heart is filled with faith and devotion. With unwavering belief, she kneels before the sacred house, raising her hands to the heavens in prayer. Her voice carries a deep plea, a supplication for divine guidance and blessings. This moment, filled with humility and faith, would soon become a part of a miraculous event. Scene number 3. The Kaaba wall opened. 14 years ago, suddenly, the silence is broken by an extraordinary sight. The ragged stone wall of the Kaaba begins to crack open, realizing a radiant golden and white light that illuminates the night. Lady Fatma bint Asad, overwhelmed by awe, steps forward toward the miraculous opening. She enters the sacred Kaaba, surrounded by an ethereal glow. Dust and light particles shimmer in the air, as if the heavens themselves are bearing witness to this divine moment. Scene number 4. Maula Ali alayhi salam, miraculous birth. 14 years ago, inside the Kaaba, a divine event unfolds. Lady Fatma bint Asad gives birth to a baby boy, wrapped gently in a simple cloth. The child is no ordinary child. He is Ali ibn Abi Talib, the Lion of Allah. A soft heavenly light surrounds him, illuminating the ragged stone walls of the Kaaba. The air is filled with a sense of serenity as the birth of Imam Ali becomes a moment unlike any other in history. A miracle within the holiest of places. Scene number 5. Celebration in Makkah 14 years ago. Celebration for the birth of Maula Ali alayhi salam. As news of this miracle spreads, the streets of Makkah come alive. People gather outside the Kaaba, dressed in traditional Arabian attire, their faces glowing with joy and gratitude. Women are in celebration, while men raise their hands in prayer, thanking Allah for this divine blessing. The Kaaba radiates a gentle golden light. Its walls are testament to the sacred movement that just occurred. The entire city celebrates, united by the miracle of Imam. Scene number 6. Young Maula Ali alayhi salam, wisdom 14 years ago. Years pass and we see a young Imam Ali sitting under the shade of a palm tree beside the noble figure of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The boy listens intently, his eyes filled with wisdom beyond his years. Between them lie scrolls and parchment, symbols of the knowledge and guidance being shared. The desert breeze carries their voices, while the simple backdrop of a grazing camel and a humble tent remind us of the purity of their mission. This young boy would soon grow into a leader whose life would guide generations to come. Ending scene. Zikr and devotion. 14 years ago, as the story of Maula Ali miraculous birth draws to a close, we are reminded of his lasting legacy in the quiet of the desert. A group of worshippers sits in a circle, chanting Ali, Ali Maula. Their voices rise in union, echoing through the stillness of the night. The crescent moon above shines brightly as the scene transitions into the glowing Arabic calligraphy of Ya Ali, shimmering in golden hues. The legacy of Maula Ali, born in the Kaaba, continues to inspire hearts and minds even 14 years later. Call to action. What does Imam Ali alayhi salam legacy mean to you? Please share your thoughts in the comments and let's celebrate his birth together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories. And also zikr, Ali, Ali Maula. Let's keep the spirit of 13 Rajab alive by remembering Maula Ali alayhi salam unparalleled legacy of faith and justice. Until next time, stay blessed. If this story touched your heart, spread the love by sharing it with your friends and family. Let's honor 13 Rajab by keeping the memory of Imam Ali alayhi salam alive. We also remember Imam Ali alayhi salam as Maula Ali. This is just one of many incredible moments from Islamic history. But this is my favorite. Subscribe now and join us as we explore more inspiring stories in the coming weeks. See you soon, inshallah.